Instead is on Mashakiki. Clever play from Romeo. We thought he missed Fletch last time. This time a good pass. He gives him the isolation on the wing. He draws the foul.
Lexi.
We're going to have a timeout with 6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in the game. The Philippines leading by 7-74 to 67 behind the 22 points.
Hinahabol ka ni Wally mo. Usap mo si Lexi. Kiss mo daw si ate. Oh, kiss mo daw si ate. Kiss mo daw si Lexi. Lalab na baby girl.
Pwede kasi yung sa mga dating mo eh.
Pinilit lang natin sa sarili niya.
Born in New York in an American Bible, Andre Marie Black is a naturalized member of the Gilas Philippines basketball team who played a significant role in the 2013 FIBA Asia Championship. The 6'11" power forward will once again make a